If you're new to working out at home, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Some of the best at-home workouts for beginners include 1. Bodyweight exercises. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are all great exercises that can be done with no equipment. 2. Yoga. Yoga is a low-impact workout that can help increase flexibility and reduce stress. 3. Resistance band workouts. Resistance bands are affordable and versatile, making them a great addition to any at-home workout routine. 4. Walking or jogging. If you have access to a treadmill or a safe outdoor area, walking or jogging is an effective way to improve cardiovascular health. How can I make my at-home workout more challenging? If you've been doing the same at-home workout routine for a while and want to challenge yourself, try these tips. 1. Increase the intensity. Increase the number of reps, sets, or weight you're using to challenge your muscles. 2. Try new exercises. Add new exercises to your routine to target different muscle groups. 3. Use resistance bands or weights. Adding resistance can increase the difficulty of your workout and help build muscle. 4. Add cardio. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or cardio into your at-home workout routine to burn more calories. Can I still get a good workout at home without any equipment? Yes, you can still get a great workout at home without any equipment. Some of the best bodyweight exercises to do at home include 1. Squats. 2. Lunges. 3. Push-ups. 4. Planks. 5. Burpees. 6. Jumping jacks. 7. Mountain climbers. 8. High knees. 9. Sit-ups. 10. Tricep dips. How often should I do at-home workouts to see results? To see results from your at-home workouts, it's recommended to do them at least 3 times a week. However, the frequency and intensity of your workouts will depend on your fitness level and goals. What are the benefits of at-home workouts compared to going to the gym? Some benefits of at-home workouts include 1. Convenience. You can work out whenever and wherever you want without having to travel to a gym. 2. Cost-effective. You don't need to pay for a gym membership or expensive equipment. 3. Privacy. You can work out in the privacy of your own home without feeling self-conscious. 4. Customizable. You can tailor your at-home workout routine to your fitness level and goals. How can I stay motivated to do at-home workouts regularly? Staying motivated to work out regularly can be a challenge, especially when you're doing it at home. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. 1. Set goals. Set specific, achievable fitness goals to work towards. 2. Create a schedule. Schedule your at-home workouts like you would any other appointment or commitment. 3. Find a workout buddy. Find a friend or family member to work out with to keep each other accountable. 4. Switch up your routine. Add variety to your at-home workout routine to keep it interesting. 5. Track your progress. Keep track of your workouts and progress to see how far you've come. 6. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for reaching your fitness goals, whether it's with a small treat or a new workout outfit. What are the most effective at-home workouts for weight loss? To lose weight with at-home workouts, focus on high-intensity exercises that burn a lot of calories. Here are some effective at-home workouts for weight loss. 1. HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. 2. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a fun and effective way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. 3. Circuit training. Circuit training involves doing a series of exercises with little to no rest in between, which can help burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. 4. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks are great for getting your heart rate up and burning calories. 5. Dancing. Dancing is a fun way to get moving and burn calories at home. How can I prevent injury when doing at-home workouts? Injuries can happen when working out at home, but there are some steps you can take to prevent them. 1. Warm-up. Always start with a warm-up to get your muscles ready for exercise. 2. Use proper form. Make sure you're using proper form when doing exercises to avoid putting unnecessary strain on your muscles and joints. 3. Start slow. If you're new to working out or trying a new exercise, start with a lighter weight or lower intensity and gradually increase as you feel comfortable. 4. Take breaks. Don't push yourself too hard and take breaks if you feel fatigued or in pain. 5. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, stop doing it and seek medical attention if necessary. How long should each at-home workout session be? The length of your at-home workout sessions will depend on your fitness level and goals. Here are some general guidelines. 1. Beginners. Start with 20 to 30-minute workouts and gradually increase the length as you feel comfortable. 2. Intermediate. Aim for 30 to 45-minute workouts. 3. Advanced. Workouts can be up to an hour long or more, depending on your goals and fitness level. Are there any specific at-home workouts for targeting certain muscle groups? Yes. There are specific at-home workouts that can target different muscle groups. Here are some examples. 1. Glutes. Exercises like squats, lunges, and hip thrusts can help target and tone your glutes. 2. Abs. Planks, sit-ups, and Russian twists are all great exercises for strengthening and toning your abs. 3. Arms. Push-ups, tricep dips, and bicep curls are effective exercises for toning your arms. 4. Back. Pull-ups, rows, and lat pull-downs are great exercises for targeting your back muscles. 4. 5. 4. Legs. Exercises like squats, lunges, and calf raises can help tone and strengthen your leg muscles. How can I make my at-home workouts more challenging? If you've been doing the same at-home workout routine for a while and feel like it's no longer challenging, there are ways to make it more difficult. 1. Add weights. Incorporating weights like dumbbells or resistance bands can make exercises more challenging and help build muscle. 2. Increase reps or sets. Try doing more reps or sets of an exercise to increase the intensity. 3. Shorten rest periods. Shortening your rest periods between exercises can make your workout more challenging and increase your heart rate. 4. Try more difficult exercises. As you get stronger, try adding more difficult exercises to your routine. 5. Mix it up. Changing up your routine and trying new exercises can challenge your muscles in different ways. Thank you for reading these articles on at-home workouts for all fitness levels. We hope you found them helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great fitness tips and workout ideas. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now and don't miss out on future content. Remember, The best way to achieve your fitness goals is to stay consistent and motivated, and we're here to help you every step of the way.